Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. To begin the process, open any web browser on your device. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar at the top and type the name of the website where the PowerNet VPN file is available, then tap the search button. After the website finishes loading, look for the menu icon on the screen. This icon is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top corner of the page. Tap on it to open the menu. When the menu appears, find the section related to VPN services and select the option that leads you to the free VPN area. This will take you to the page where different VPN applications are listed. On that page, scroll through the available options until you find PowerNet VPN, then tap on it to open the download page. Now you will see the download or install button. Tap on it to begin downloading the application to your device. The download may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so please wait until it completes. Once the installation is finished, tap the Open button to launch the VPN application. When the app opens, you will need to complete a few simple settings so it works properly. First, tap the 3 lines at the top corner of the screen to open the menu. From the options provided, select Online Update. This step updates the app resources so you can get the best performance while using the VPN. After that, select the server location from the server box. You can pick any server that works well in your region. However, I recommend leaving it on auto-select so the app automatically chooses the best server for your connection. Next, choose your country network. Tap on the network selection box, then use the search bar to search for UDP. If UDP is supported in your location, select the option labeled All Country UDP since it works in multiple regions. If it is not available, you can choose any other network from the list. If your connection time runs out while using the VPN, you can extend it by tapping the Add Time button inside the app. Finally, tap the Start button to begin the secure connection. After a few seconds, the VPN will connect successfully. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.